If you want cleaner air and the right level of humidity in one simple device, this video is for you. Let's explore the best air purifier and humidifier combos for this year. We begin with the Dyson Purifier Humidify+Cool PH03, a high-end all-in-one solution that stands out for its advanced technology, sleek design, and performance. Dyson combines its patented air multiplier cooling technology with a fully integrated true HEPA and activated carbon filtration system, plus an efficient evaporative humidifier. The unit automatically senses and monitors air quality and humidity, adjusting accordingly in real time. With its formaldehyde elimination capability and ability to capture 99.97% of airborne pollutants, it goes beyond standard air purifiers. The 3.8-liter water tank offers nearly 36 hours of continuous humidity, and everything is controllable via Dyson's app or voice command. Ideal for medium to large rooms, the PH03 is a smart pick for tech-forward households seeking both air purification and humidity balance with minimal maintenance. Next, we have the Afloia 2-in-1 HEPA air purifier and humidifier, a value-packed option that delivers effective dual functionality in a compact design. This unit features a modular approach where the humidifier module sits atop the air purifier. Its three-stage filtration system includes a pre-filter, true HEPA, and activated carbon filter to capture dust, allergens, and smoke. The humidifier can be used independently or with the purifier, offering great flexibility. Operating at a whisper-quiet 24 decibels, it's perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. With coverage for rooms up to 438 square feet, it's an affordable and space-saving solution for those who want both functionalities without breaking the bank. Despite its small footprint, the Afloia combo is strong on performance and easy to maintain. For households needing a more robust solution for allergens and dry air, the Brondell Revive True HEPA Air Purifier and Humidifier offers a solid middle ground between affordability and advanced functionality. It features dual true HEPA filters, a carbon filter, and a separate off-gassing filter to reduce VOCs. The humidifier uses an evaporative system to maintain ideal humidity levels, and it does so quietly and automatically. The Revive is ideal for medium to large rooms, up to 600 square feet. Its ability to provide steady humidity control while removing fine airborne particles, allergens, and odors makes it a favorite among allergy sufferers. With its intuitive controls, quiet performance, and easy filter replacement system, the Brondell Revive is built for families that value comfort, convenience, and cleaner air year-round. If you're looking for something powerful enough to handle large spaces while offering smart features, the Sharp Smart Plasmacluster KC850U is a standout. This unit covers up to 2,600 square feet, which makes it one of the most powerful combo units on the market. It uses a unique Plasmacluster ion technology that neutralizes viruses, bacteria, and static electricity in the air. The unit includes a true HEPA filter, deodorizing carbon filter, and humidifying function, all controlled through Wi-Fi and voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. What makes the KC850U truly efficient is its ability to maintain indoor air balance without much user intervention, thanks to its auto mode, filter change indicators, and weekly scheduling. If you have an open floor layout or large family space that needs both purification and moisture, this Sharp model is hard to beat. Rounding out our list is the Turonic PH950 Air Purifier and Humidifier combo, an aesthetically modern and smart-enabled unit that delivers performance in style. Featuring an 8-stage filtration system, including H13 True HEPA, UV light, ionizer, and activated carbon, it effectively handles smoke, allergens, pet dander, and dry air. The built-in humidifier ensures that indoor humidity levels remain comfortable, especially during dry seasons or in air-conditioned spaces. It comes with app and remote control features, making it easy to operate from anywhere. With a coverage area suitable for up to 500 square feet, the PH950 is ideal for bedrooms, small living rooms, or offices where air quality and humidity matter. Its minimalist look and intelligent controls make it a favorite for modern homes and apartments.